We can also use the roof bracket to support 48mm tube, steel or aluminium. That's 1.5-inch NPS pipe, and this in fact is even easier to do. With the horizontal scaffold tube running the full length of the container and a domino clamp in each corner, with our horizontal tube clamp of course holding that in place at either end, we can also use the roof clamp and a third horizontal tube clamp to support that tube in the middle. Simply attach a domino clamp at each end of the container into the corner castings and roof brackets onto the top side rails where you need to support the tube. I'm just going to do one here for the moment. Now bolt horizontal parallel tube clamps to both the domino clamp and the roof brackets using the 30mm set screws and washers provided with the tube clamps. The roof bracket holds the tube clamp at the same distance and height from the container as the domino does. You may need to make a small adjustment to the height since not all containers are exactly the same, but then you can simply slide your tube through all three tube clamps. Alternatively, you can of course pre-prepare the horizontal tube clamps onto the tube, then mount those onto the domino clamps and brackets. It's entirely up to you, whatever feels safest and easiest for your situation.